going to demonstrate today how to use Gator hide. Gator hide is a fabulous sealer and protectant of all your projects, especially those that are high traffic areas that get used a lot. We're talking desktops, we're talking tabletops, chairs, living room furniture, and cabinetry. All of these are perfect for Gator hide. Gator hide is water repellent, and that's what makes it so special, is because of that durability and water repellency. You can use it again on painted surfaces. This is already finished with Gator hide, so it has a nice satin sheen to it. Then do know it does come in an 8 ounce, a 16 ounce, and a larger 32 ounce.
Now we get down to the tools that we use for the Gator hide. Use the foam and dandy, which you use for small areas to reach in to get to. You have the original blue Gator hide sponge, which is, it's easy to use. And then you also have the applicator pad, which me personally is my favorite. The most important thing you can do before you get ready to Gator hide is to make sure you take a terry cloth, wipe it down. You want it lint-free, dust-free before you start your application of your Gator hide. One thing that you want to do is make sure you start with a dry applicator pad or the blue sponge, whatever you want, whatever you do. But the most important thing you want to do is apply light pressure. You do not want to see the Gator hide squeeze out from the sides. This is it. Final product's been done. 3 coats of Gator hide, a minimum 2 hours apart. 4 days, I'll let it sit, get completely dry. Now, the Gator hide, best water repellent, top coat that they have. I wouldn't use nothing else. It's the top notch, best top coat Dixie Belle has.